The Thadou Community International has rejected allegations that it is supporting or in contact with Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, calling such claims baseless and unfounded. In a press statement issued on Saturday, TCI responded to the accusations by asking if calling for peace links us to the Chief Minister. Does it imply that our accusers prefer violence for selfish political gain and personal benefits at the cost of innocent lives? TCI challenged those making such allegations to present evidence to back their claims, condemning the anti-Thadou individuals and groups operating under the banner of the fake Thadou Tribe Council for spreading hate speech and disinformation against the Thadou Tribe and its leaders. The organization clarified that it is strictly political, with no ties to any political party or politician, and operates solely in the interests of the Thadou people. TCI also questioned the statements of the 10 Kuki-Jo tribal MLAs and various civil society organizations advocating for a separate administration and the removal of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, asking why they continue to be active members of the Manipur State Assembly and support the state administration led by the very Chief Minister they seek to oust. Calling for peace, justice and non-violent solutions to the ongoing conflict in Manipur, TCI stressed that the Thadous have been the most affected and the largest innocent victims of the violence since May 3, 2023. They reiterated that the people of Manipur have endured enough conflict. It is time for peace and stability. TCI further emphasized that Thadous must be called Thadou without any prefix or suffix and not by an incorrect or imposed name like Kuki, in accordance with the 1956 orders of the Indian Parliament that recognize the original tribes of Manipur. TCI denounced the term Kuki-Jo as an attempt to impose the Kuki identity on those who do not identify as Kuki. TCI is dedicated to protecting the distinct Thadou identity and will fight against the agenda that threatens it, the statement continued. We are also committed to ending the suppression and widespread abuse of Thadou rights, especially by Kuki supremacists.